how to do a lace braid. Hi, welcome back to my channel. First, you are going to need to gather your things: a comb, some big elastics and some tiny elastics. Next, you're going to comb out your hair to make sure there's no lumps or like knots in there. Next, you're going to part the top of your head so it's got a nice straight line right through the center of your head. It doesn't have to be the center, it can be off to the left or off to the right if you want. Now you're going to section off a part from your a section of hair from the top of your part all the way to down behind your ear, just like that. Now you're going to tie up the rest of your hair because you won't need it to do the braid. So now you're going to brush your front section of hair, just to make sure there's no knots. Now you're going to make a tiny section in the section of hair. That makes sense? Just like that. And you're going to divide that into 3 even parts. Now you're going to get your right strand and put it over the middle strand, just like that. Then you're going to get your left strand and put it over your middle strand, which now becomes the new middle. And then you get the right over the middle again, and you want to pick up a little section of hair and add it to that new middle strand, just like that. So then that just becomes still one strand, but a thicker strand. Now you're going to put the left over the middle strand, which now becomes the middle strand. Then you're going to put the right over, and you're going to pick up a section of hair and add it to the middle strand, the new middle strand. And you're going to repeat these steps until you have no more hair to pick up. And you will only want to pick up on the left side when you put the left strand over the middle strand. You can't pick up when you put the right strand over the middle strand. Some people find it easy to grab the whole section of hair and put it over, whereas as you saw me before, I put over the strand and then added the section of hair. Now you're just going to plait the rest, or your 3 strands. Now you want to once you've reached the end, you are going to get your tiny elastic. So you're going to get your tiny elastic and tie up the end of your lace braid. Gotta make sure the hair tie is secure. And ta-da! That is your lace braid. And you can have it out and just bobby pin it, or you can put it in a ponytail.